So let's talk refrigerators. This Samsung refrigerator has been used in our kitchen for the last 2 years and we've had no problems. Let me show you the inside because this is our favorite feature. Just look on how big the inside of this refrigerator is, and there is multiple different storage options about moving the shelves into different places for the best optimal space. You got storage on the door, and again, you have two crispers on the bottom that you could do a flex crisper to change the humidity over inside it. Now, the next cool part is if you need water, it comes with its own water pitcher and water filling station. Now, the next best thing is this area down here has been converted over to a refrigerator space, so you don't need it to be a freezer. Unless you need it to be a freezer, it can be, but it's called a flex space. And lastly, there's drawers inside your freezer that pulls out for your ice that does 2 different size chips, or you have an area with drawers that pull out as well. Overall, this refrigerator has been great to us. Go out, grab one today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.